Temperatures are heating up once again, but just how hot does pavement and other surfaces get when the mercury climbs? Our meteorologist Connor Prince conducts an outdoor weather experiment to find out.
It's another hot day across west central northwest Ohio today, as temperatures are currently approaching 90 degrees. While we definitely feel the heat and humidity on our face and arms, we sometimes forget the dangers the ground can have if we expose our bare skin and our pets' paws to different surfaces. Just how hot does the ground really get during these hot temperatures? Let's find out as I go around taking temperatures of different surfaces. Before we commence our outdoor weather experiment, we have to set a standard or control to compare our results. In this case, our standard will be grass underneath a tree, thus limiting heating from the sun. As we take temperatures here, we can see the thermometer was hovering in the 81 to 85 degree range. Now, let's move on to surfaces directly exposed to the sun's intense rays. Our first sun-exposed surface will be grass not protected by the foliage on the trees. Once we adjusted our thermometer, the temperature jumped considerably into the 95 to 105 degree range here. We are just getting started, however, as we now move on to a concrete parking lot exposed to the sun. As we aim our thermometer, the temperature rose to a toasty 115 to 116 degrees. As we kept moving on to different surfaces, the temperature climbed to downright dangerous levels for exposed skin and pets' feet. Now, we walked over to the brick pathway behind our studio to see how hot it gets during these high temperatures. With the thermometer aimed right at the brick, we can see temperatures soared to 130 to 131 degrees. Our last surface to conclude our outdoor experiment will be the bumper on one of our new cars. An important thing to note here is that the color of this bumper is black, and black absorbs a lot of heat. I aimed the thermometer and it read a whopping 155 to 160 degrees. Temperatures of this magnitude can burn exposed skin and your pet's feet. And as we just saw, the temperatures of different surfaces and pavement can be significantly hotter than the air temperature around us. As a result, it's always important to make sure that you don't expose any bare skin or your pet's feet to these surfaces during hot weather. Reporting in Lima, meteorologist Connor Prince, your News Now.
Thanks, Connor.